Stop! If you haven't watched Plumbing Part 1, go watch it now. Hey everybody, we're back. It's Rhett and Rachel from the Russ Bus. It is nighttime, aka 5 o'clock p.m. We are working on part 2 of our plumbing. So we've got to put our shower in, and we also have to do our gray water. So stay tuned for that.
Alright, so this is what our shower looks like right now. We're about to drill a hole for our PEX pipe to come through our 2x4 over there. We're going to put all our fittings on, and then we'll start installing the actual shower base, and then we'll build the walls and everything to go with it. Alright, so we're putting little elbow fittings on the ends of these pipes, and then it'll go behind the 2x4, and then that'll turn it to where our PEX can come through this hole, and then we'll put 2 more elbows down here, and that'll go up to the shower. Alright, so right now I'm marking right in the middle. And I'm going to drill my hole through this 2x4 so that after we get our the shower control hooked up, we'll be able to run our PEX, and it'll go straight up to the shower head that'll be up here. Alright, so we ran out of daylight yesterday pretty quick. And so we got up this morning, and now we're going to start working on cutting out some walls to go in the showers. So we're going to get started on that. Alright, so we got our board put up. That's going to be behind our shower wall. Our shower head's going to be up here. We got our windows. We went ahead and painted that window right there, and we're going to have shower board that's going to come all the way up to cover up the window. We're about to drill a hole for the drain to go out of, and so that's what we're getting started on next.
Okay, so we got our wall for our shower and our shower base put in. Now we're going to start cutting the shower board. We just got some regular white shower board from Lowe's, and we're going to put it in on this wall and this wall.
All right, so we got our first piece of shower board up. We've got a clamp on this right here. We're gonna leave that overnight to make sure it dries real good and we don't have any problems with that. And we're about to get started on our second piece. We've already dry fit it. We know it fits in there good. So I'm gonna put some caulk on it, and then we're gonna get it put up there. Alright, so we got our walls put in, our shower walls put in. We let the glue dry overnight, and so those are stuck really good. And so now we're going to move to the back side of the wall. We're going to start installing the hardware on the back. We got to cut out this square for this to go through. So I'm about to get started drilling some holes, and then I'm going to cut that out with my jigsaw. Alright, so we got some of our shower hardware ready. We got our fittings put on. It's got the 1/2-inch barb so we can put our pecs on it. And so we're about to put this on from the back side. It'll go in, and then the handle will actually go on the front of this. So we're gonna see if we can get it put on. Alright, so we got our shower hardware coming through the wall. We're about to put the front piece on with the lever and everything on it. We got this off of Amazon. It was a whole kit. It came with the shower head and everything. And we're going to start on the shower head next. Alright, so I'm about to hook up our pecs to the hardware that we installed back here. Like I said, it's got the 1/2-inch barb on this side of it. And so we've got 3 of them. We're going to hook those up. This one's going to go up to the top, up to our shower head. We haven't installed that yet, but that'll be next. Alright, so we got some of this hooked up. We've got our cold water comes in on this side, runs to this side of the hardware right here, and then the hot water will come in right here and they'll run in this side. They'll mix together and they'll come up from here. And we're about to take a trip to Marvin's. We've got to get a couple more things to finish this off, and then we should be good to test her out. So we're about to drill a hole to put our shower head through. This, like we said, came with the kit. We got it all off of Amazon. But we're about to drill this hole up here so that we'll be able to connect it to our pecs. And then we should be good to put some water in and see if we can get it to work after that. So we got our shower head in, we got all the plumbing done and everything. And so now we're going to start caulking it up. We've got just some kitchen and bath caulk that we're going to use. And then we've also got some peel and stick caulk that we're going to use that later and go over some of the corners that were a little bit bigger than we wanted them to be. The gaps were a little bit bigger than we wanted them to be. And then we've got our drain we're going to put in. We're going to have to caulk around it and everything. That'll be one of the last things we do. So we're going to get started on it.
So that is part 2 of our plumbing. Our shower is in and it works. Next, we're gonna put up a video of how we finished the bottom part where we mounted our gray water. We don't have that quite done yet, but that'll be next, so make sure you check that out when it goes live. But now our shower's done. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to our channel. You can find us on social media at the Russ Bus. You can find our blog.
It's www.therussbus.blog, and then we've got a website, schoolie101.com, so check us out.
See you next time.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Alright, so this is plumbing part 2.
Stop.
I thought you were going to let me do it.
Get some help. Next, we are going to have...
Make sure you, well...